Hey there, winos. This is Vince.Wine. Okay, I am on a mission today. I want to find the best Pinot Noir that I can find for under $15. So, of course, I've got to check out our old friends at Grocery Outlet. Okay, I am here in the familiar wine section, and I just want to see what I can see as far as Pinot. At the top shelf is already only at the $6 price range here on Pinot. This looks like mostly California Pinot, so let's just check out what we got. $7 Pinot over here, $7 over here, and this is Monterey. I probably have a good bet between Monterey and Sonoma, so I love that they have the AVA listed there. That's a really good sign. So my best bets are probably there. I don't know how much further down I want to go, because I do want to try to find the best Pinot I can find under $15. Lodi over here on the mid shelf seat, but now I'm already in that sort of like $4 price range, sort of looks like here. Yeah, I'm really not comfortable going any lower than here. Do any of these labels look familiar to you, winos? Let me know in the comments if you recognize anything here. Let's check out two of them since they're so inexpensive. That'll be at about the price range I was hoping for. There's another Monterey in the same price range. Oh, it's the same thing. Perfect. So it's both a middle shelf and a top shelf wine. But these are the two I'm going to go with. Let's do Jackhammer 2017 Monterey County Pinot, and we'll do Sonoma Reserve Pinot 2018 as well. Let's pop the corks. And I can't help myself, these two wines look really interesting. This is a Pinotage from Stellenbosch. This is a South African wine, and I know Pinotage is totally their thing, and it's $6.99 here, elsewhere $21. And then this looks super cool as well. Bonnet Rouge Gamay Noir. It is from France, and it is from the Beaujolais region. Or so it suggests. It says it's from southern Burgundy, which would hint at Beaujolais Gamay. And look at this big old sign they have for it. Elsewhere, $25. Only $7 here. So this looks pretty cool. I think I am gonna grab one of these as well. And let me know in the comments if you winos want to see my review on these two wines. Okay, I'm realizing now that this wine seems just sort of gimmicky and it doesn't have too much more wine information on it. I may have found something better. Check out this really cool display on this Arroyo Secco Pinot Noir. Yeah, this just looks super, super cool. Check out that label there. Fogscape Pinot Noir Arroyo Secco 2018, and it's got some really, really cool winemaker notes, even down to the clones used on this wine. So I'm really, really excited to actually give this one a taste, and I think we'll fare much better here. Let's take this one home instead. Okay, we're back. Let's just jump into these wines. Okay, so I want to start with our Sonoma one first. It's Latitude Wines. I can't tell if it's Latitude 38 or Latitude Wines. Yeah, it's Lat 38. Sonoma County. So, of course, Sonoma being a classic region for Pinot Noir. In particular, this is their private reserve, and I love all these tasting notes on the bottle. The winemaker tasting notes talks about the color, typical sort of Pinot fruit flavors there with those lighter sort of berry flavors there, and then talking a little bit about the body with good acidity on there, clean and balanced, or so they say. Let's go ahead and get this open. Oh, it's a screw cap. That was easy. Okay, in the glass here, wow, check out that color. Really pretty sort of rustic cranberry color in there. Really, really nice. I like the way it looks there. And as far as viscosity, yeah, looks like it's got some pretty decent viscosity there. Let's get this on the nose. And let me know if you winos have ever heard of this Latitude 38 wines. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, they were not kidding when they said pomegranates. This thing is pomegranates as the day is long, and also I would say a little dry strawberry and some cranberry in there as well. I'm getting just a suggestion of toastiness in there too. Let's get this on the palate. Oh, so close to being like, this is killer. Okay, hang on. Okay, this is good, especially for $7. Yeah, this is good. I see what's happening here. The finish on this is excellent. That flavor is just going really, really long. It is still going right now. All the flavors that we talked about, those dry, earthy sort of berries in there, really, really pretty. It was missing a little bit of mid palate. That's just that kind of area on top of the tongue there that has all the weight. It's just missing a bit of that. So I couldn't say it's like 100% satisfying. It could just go a little weightier. But besides that, for $7, this is a super well-crafted Pinot. Yeah, Latitude 38, you guys make a pretty good wine. I would be very interested in seeing what some of their higher-end wines look like. Okay, I have super high expectations for this one. So the producer here is Fogscape Vineyards. Again, I haven't heard of them, but check out this label. That is so beautiful. That just shows the vineyard there in Arroyo, Secco, and those plains and the hills there near Monterey. Really, really pretty. And again, these super cool winemaker's notes. I don't like to read too much into that because I will see if I agree with those things there, but this is really, really cool that they take the time to tell you about the soils, shale, loam, granite, and even the clones. 777 is really a fantastic clone. And the oak aging there, French oak barrels. So gosh, even the winemaking, field to stem, 7 to 10 days open top fermentation. Yeah, this is craftsmanship, so I have super high expectations. Let's get it open, and looks like we've got a real cork here. Yeah, this Pinotage just looked super interesting. I couldn't pass that up. On this channel a while back, I was talking about wanting to do Pinotage, and South Africa's just the place for that. And then I really like Beaujolais, and this Gamay was just calling my name, and it's got such a cool looking label as well. So I may just drink those on my own, but let me know, winos, if you are interested in seeing a review. Okay, in the glass, this is actually just slightly more concentrated. Look at those legs that are forming right around the glass. Those are super thick. And then the color itself, it's a bit more opaque. I can't quite see my hand right through it. So this is gonna be a little fuller body. Let's see how she does on the nose. Oh yeah, this is a bit more bright fruit condition here. A little bit more fresh fruit, not so dry. More like cherries and strawberries and cranberries, less of the sort of like pomegranate and dried or stewed condition of fruit. All right, let's see how it does on the palate. Okay. Dang it, okay, here's what's happening. Exactly what the last one was missing, this one has. What this one is missing, the other one has. Did I say that right? I am getting just a ton of mid-palate here. It feels so good once I'm chewing on it and I've got it kind of swirling around. This is delicious. It's not giving me much on the finish, and until it gets there, this is not coming out of the glass at all. It's not as aromatic, so there's not a whole lot going on here. I'm very, very tempted to actually blend these two together, and you may have the perfect wine. That might be like sacrilege as far as mixing the two AVAs, but just the wine in itself may be a little bit more well-rounded. Okay, that was not quite what I expected there. I'm actually gonna blend these two. Okay, so I already have the Arroyo Secco in there, and let me go ahead and just add equal parts of the of the Sonoma. And again, I know this is sacrilege, but let's just see if what this does. And it's totally okay to do that. There are no rules with wine. You got to drink what you like. Cheers. Yeah, I'm just gonna treat this like a brand new wine. A little bit lighter in color there, looks super silky in the glass. Those legs are being added by the Arroyo Secco wine. Oh, the nose is full and toasty and silky too. Silky nose, it's got a silky nose. Okay, on the palate here we go. Oh, that is phenomenal. You know, that is so much better. I think if I were to continue to drink this, I'd go ahead and do just 50-50. That is so much better. Now, okay, for all the, should I take off my som pin for a minute? Okay, look, I wouldn't do this with like my Vin Romanée, Burgundies. Of course I wouldn't blend that, but these were $7 wines. One was missing mid-palate and the other was missing a little bit of presence with flavor. So put those two together and you've got a nice, rich, full body with tons of flavor throughout. This was really nice. Am I getting a specific terroir? Of course not, but it's still complex and quite lovely. So there you have it, winos. The best wine under $15 is both of them. Super huge thanks once again to Grocery Outlet. They just do a really cool selection. Easily we are going to go for the best savings on pretty well-crafted wines. These are definitely proof of that. I think I want to do this again. I'm still on the hunt for the best Pinot under $15. I might try Trader Joe's next time. Let me know what you winos think. If you enjoyed what you saw here today, please leave me a like. That helps so much. Don't forget to share this video with your wine friends. And until next time, winos, drink safe and drink well. Cheers.